Hi, this is Mike, and I'll be going over the email capture functionality. Email capture is located right here. It's the button off of the leads menu item screen on the left here on the navigation bar. Uh, Email capture is a convenience. It gives you the capability of having Tracker go out and scrape your email inboxes to get lead information from an email without even having to go to the email inbox itself. And actually copy and paste them and having multiple screens open. It just saves all that tediousness. So it all happens within Tracker Go, within the scope of Tracker Go here. And you can set up and configure email inboxes within Tracker Go and then initiate a search. It'll scrape up the email inboxes, present the leads to you, or potential leads, I should say, and then you can approve them or reject them right there. So to kind of get started here, if you want to set up an email inbox, you go over to the config area, which is right over here. So you click on the config area, and you'll see here there's an email capture button right here. And I already have one set up, but if you wanted to add a new one, all you'd have to do is just select add an email address, and you could basically put in anything you want. It's a demo@gmail.com. And you could put a username in here. And also there's some standard defaults that come with it. You could just click those here and then put your username in and password and save it. So that's kind of how you set it up. And you could set multiple ones up. So as you're actually searching, it'll be scouring multiple inboxes at once. And of course, again, this really saves the tedium by having to go to each box to check your email and then scraping it yourself. So let's go back to the leads area. So if I go back here, and then I go back to email capture right over here, you'll see this is the email capture screen. And I can put a starting date in of the 1st of June and go to the 7th of the month, which would be right over here. And then it's as easy as just initiating the search. And you just wait a minute, and it actually is scouring an inbox right now. And you'll see here it is. And basically, you just look at the information. You've got the date of the email, who it's from, the provider, and then the subject. Okay, and then if you want to just approve an email, you just click it right here. You can just click approve, and it just disappears because it adds itself as a lead. So that becomes a lead in the system. And if you want to reject, it's very easy. You just click the reject button, and what happens is that's not added as a lead. And the actual stamp on the email is saved in the database. So that the next time you initiate the search, it will never show up again. And that's as easy as it is to actually do the email scrape. Thank you.